In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a sign-up form with Moosend. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to customize your form, and how to place it on your website so it appears exactly where you want it. Make sure you're logged into your Moosend account and have a mailing list ready to capture new subscribers. Start by opening your browser and searching for Moosend. Click the official website from the results, then log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Growth Tools section. This is where Moosend keeps all the subscriber acquisition features. Next, click on Subscription Forms. You'll see options for creating and managing your forms here. Create a new form by selecting New, then choose Subscription Form. You'll be prompted to pick a form type. Choose Inline if you want the form to sit directly within your page content, like between paragraphs or in a footer area. Select a floating bar for a slim banner that sticks to the top or bottom of the page, or go with a pop-up if you prefer a modal-style prompt. Give your form a clear name so you can easily identify it later, then proceed to the editor. Inside the editor, click on the form fields and locate Select Mailing List. Choose the list where new subscribers should be added. This is essential for keeping your contacts organized and ensuring automations, if any, trigger from the right list. Use the drag-and-drop builder to tailor the form to your brand. Adjust fields, labels, colors, and spacing, and keep the number of required fields minimal to improve conversion. When you're satisfied, click Proceed to Next Step. Go to the Choose Publishing Method tab in your form settings. Scroll to the Embed or Publish to External Platform section. Click Setup next to embed your form to open your unique code snippet. This will be an HTML and JavaScript block that renders the form on your site. Copy the entire snippet as provided. Now paste the code into your website's HTML exactly where you want the form to appear. On platforms like Moosend or WordPress, use a main content, custom HTML, or embed code block. Place inline forms in the body content area. Floating bars or pop-ups will still be controlled by the code you embed. Save or update your page so the change takes effect. That's it. You've created your Moosend subscription form, connected it to a mailing list, customized it, and embedded it on your site.